Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to copy trade right here on Quantower. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you're going to do is go to DX feed and make sure that you connect your broker right here to Quantower. So let's say we are using FX Pro, select FX Pro, then select demo or real, connect, log in with the details, and then after that you can use FX Pro right here on Quantower. Then after that, what we're going to do is go left in the top, go to trading, and then the first option right here is telling you copy trading. If you want to do this option very often, select right here on the favorites. So now it's standing right here at copy trading. And then what we can do right here is click on it, and then you will see right here the copying trading option. Then from now, if you want to create ourselves a copy trade, we click here on the plus, do OK, give this a name. So let's do test, a description, testing for YouTube. Then we select right here our parent connection, select right here the currency. So let's do US dollars. And if you want to use the advanced settings, you can do that too if you want to do that. So portfolio trading or request copying, decide what you want to do. Then right here, you can also enable include existing positions or select right here if you want to do more, but that is not important right now. And then after that, what we're going to do, select here on the plus icon. This is our account with the connection, the amount, the quantity to copy mode, so this is fine, and the multiplier. Then after that, just click right here on save, and then you created yourselves a new copy trading bot. But right now I'm not logged in with an account, so it's not possible. But when you logged in with your FX Pro account, for example, you can click right here on save. So this is how you can copy trade right here on Quantower. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.